I'm Laurence Streidel. I'm with Interior Guards Window Tinting, and today's project we're going to be working on installing a wall mural at a Pho eatery here in Rockville, Maryland.
The vinyl used was a 3M removable and repositionable air release vinyl. The two sides of the restaurant got this mural. I measured the total distance of the wall and then moved left to right during the installation. The white lines that you see on the wall are overlaps of the vinyl. During the printing process, there is a bleed edge on both sides of each panel, about 1 inch in width. This bleed edge gets trimmed out after the panel is installed, and the overall image appears seamless. The end result of this job is fantastic. There are no print lines visible, and using the computer cut edges allowed the whole project to be properly installed and look seamless.